Hey everyone! So you have already got or are planning to get a gift voucher? Do you want to know how to use the gift voucher at an outlet? Let me show you how you can use the gift voucher at an outlet. I am Deepika, your host for the day. It's really easy. Watch the video and follow the steps. Use the outlet locator to locate the nearest outlet that accepts the gift voucher. Visit gifter.com/payback. Click on this search bar and enter the brand name. Now scroll down the brand page and click on Outlet Locator. Enter your city name in the outlet locator and hit the search button. And the list of all listed outlets in your city will open. You can also send the details of the outlet on your registered mobile number and email address by entering your contact details and click on Send SMS. And the outlet details will be sent to your registered contact details. Visit the nearby outlet and select your product. Share your gift voucher with the cashier at the time of billing and pay the remaining amount by cash or card if required. Simple, wasn't it? Hey, we hope you liked the video. Visit www.gifter.com/payback for exciting offers and discounts. Thank you for shopping with Payback Voucher World.